gonna keep an eye around 65.
I'm looking around 80, but I have no scopes.
Nice little fight up there. Grenade! 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 Someone found me. Someone found me. Right on top of us. Sean, look out. 235. He's got friends. Behind us.
5.
Good job. Holy shit. At the
Can you
rocks.
get me?
175. Hold on.
I'm right next to you.
I have to first aid.
Okay, get closer
Oh
to
my
me,
god.
Morgan. Shit, where is that guy?
I don't know. They threw a smoke.
I threw a
at me.
smoke.
Oh.
Hashtag good ideas. As soon as you get up, fucking heal. I'm gonna go for Sean. Although, actually, I don't know if that's a good idea.
Yeah, I don't know. Should I crawl or should I stay?
Crawl. Are you in the circle at least?
No. I'm close though.
Try and get into it.
I got 40 seconds.
Alright, as soon as Morgan heals. Alright, Morgan healed. I'm going for him. Use this as bait, Morgan.
Oh god, why?
I won't shot a bush.
That was like
What?
190-ish. Behind a tree, I think.
Might have been the rocks too, I don't know.
Yeah, that general area.
Going back to my tree.
Dude, that's where they shot you.
Yeah, I guess, okay.
Gunfire up the hill. 130. Yeah, those two guys are in a fight.
Good.
Yeah, reposition. I think he's at these other rocks at 125.
You looking that way?
I'm looking that way, yeah.
Alright, I'm drinking. Looking 155.
160, that's where that came from.
Yeah.
I think they're fighting on top of each other now. I'm gonna start moving up.
I kind of want to throw shit at them.
Go ahead.
I don't know if that hit anybody or not.
I see him. 240 from me. Behind a rock.
40.
Nah, I'm in a different spot. I'm in a different spot.
Yeah. I see him.
Where?
Behind
By
a
the
rock.
210 from me.
Ew.
Get. Oh, 165.
Got him.
165 up the hill. 165 up the hill where I am. Just past my rock.
Oh shit.
Fuck! He's behind a tree. 150. No!
I was looking at you. I don't know where they hit me from.
He was behind a tree. At least
Yeah,
the guy that
behind
killed
us.
me.